In this video, we will create a new repository and we will see how we can rename, delete, and restore all those deleted repository again. So let's get started. So in order to create your repository, you can go to github.com and you will see there might be two buttons. As you can see, one is here, create a new repository, or on the top left hand side, create repository. So click any of them and it will bring you to this page where you need to fill out your repository name. So I will name it as my first repo. I will name it my first repo. I will give some description. You can restrict who can see this repository. You can make it public or private. I will simply make it public, which is selected by default. I will click on add a readme file and then click on create repository. So as you can see that my first repository is created. So in the repository you will be able to see any kind of changes when you made it and the comments that you do for each of the file. Everything will be everything will be visible from your repository. So as you can see that there is a spelling error in my repository name. So if I want to rename it, what I need to do is go into setting and then simply update it. And if that repository name is available, it will show you, and then you simply click on rename to rename your repository. So I can see that my repository name has been updated. So let's say that you want to delete your repository. So what you need to do is go into setting again and scroll down, find danger zone and click on delete this repository. Read the warnings, and in order to confirm that you are deleting this repository, you need to type university assistant slash your repository name and then click on I understand the consequences, delete this repository. So you can see that this repository has been successfully deleted. Now, if I want to re now if I want to restore my repository again, I need to go into my profile and go into setting, and you will be able to see. So on the left hand side you will see option for repositories. Click on that, and here you can see it will show you all the repositories, and there is one option for deleted repositories. Click on that. In order to restore the deleted repository, you need to click on this profile sign and then go into setting, find repository on the left hand side, click on repository, and here you will see deleted repositories, and all the repositories that you have deleted will be stored here. And if you want to restore, you need to select the repository and click on restore and click again on I understand, restore this repository, and the repository will be restored back to your account. That's all for this video. Thank you everyone for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.